Hello, this is top 5 ways to kill Shadow. And the star of the show is me and Shadow. I'm pretty sure you know that by now. Okay, number 1 is to throw Play-Doh in his face. Alright. Oh, I love playing with Play-Doh. I love playing with my Play-Doh. I love playing with my Play-Doh. Then why don't you marry it? I don't like Play-Doh to marry. Ah! You made me kiss it. Okay. That was awkward, but funny. Alright. Number 2 is to let Knuckles beat him to death because he ate one of his mushrooms. Why did you eat one of my mushrooms? Ah, I didn't. I'm Sonic, you loser. I'm not falling for that again. Ha ha, ow, 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 ow. Shablowy.
Did that. Now he might be dead. 3, one more. Alright. Back to you, Mario.
Alright, that's funny. Alright. Number 3 is to let a lightsaber cut his legs off. My legs, my arms, my body, my head, Alright, that was funny. Alright, number 4. Number 4 is to let a monster annoy him. Hey! Sorry? Serial issues. Alright, number 4, let the monster annoy him. Oh, hello, monster. Ah! What the heck? What the heck, man? Oh, gosh, you're so annoying. Ah, stop that! Stop that! Stop that! My ears! Might be dead now. Alright, if all that didn't work, try number 5 is to cook them into a pancake. Alright. Get ready, Shadow, because you're gonna get cooked into a pancake. Oh no, I hate getting cooked into a pancake. Actually, you cook them into a fine cookie. Oh crap. You put them in the microwave. And you get the chocolate chip cookie. And actually, never mind. Just put it in the microwave. And cook him for like 30 seconds. And make sure it goes to 10 and then he's ready. Alright, he's cooking. It takes like 30 seconds. He's almost done. Alright, he's cooking. And almost finished. 3, 2, 1. He's done. Alright. Oh. Holy crap. Alright, let's get the cookie. Get the cookie melt. Oops. Blackout. There will be blackout. Alright. A nice, refreshing cookie. Let me out of here, Mario. No, I'm gonna eat you. Now Mario is gonna eat him. No! It's delicious. It's delicious. Deliciosa. What a nice fine cookie. Delicious. Take another bite. That was nice. Well, bye-bye. That was top 5 ways to kill a shadow. Bye-bye. Hope you like it.